Come along, let's take a stroll to a farm where animals roam. In fields and barns they work and play. Farmyard friends, hip hip hooray. Cluck 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 goes the hen, laying eggs again and again. Feathers fluffy, pecking grain. In the coop she reigns supreme. Boing 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 says the pig, rolling in mud feeling big. Curly tail and snout so pink. In the barn he's the king we think. Moo 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 calls the cow, grazing grass she takes a bow. Milk so fresh straight from the pail. In the field she tells her tale. Puff 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 sings the sheep, wool so soft it makes us leap. In the meadow they play and prance, in the sun they love to dance. Neighs the horse, galloping fast, full of force. Mane so shiny, hooves that fly, in the pasture reaching the sky. Quack 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 shouts the duck, swimming in the pond with luck. Wet feet paddle, wings they flap, in the water they take a nap. Hee-haw, brace the donkey, carrying loads, never wonky. Ears so long, you coat so gray, in the barnyard he leads the way. So let's all cheer, hip hip hooray, for our farm friends every day. Working, playing, side by side, in the farm we take great pride.